Welcome, family and friends, to Pagans Beauty. So good to be here with you. If this is your first time, thank you for joining me. And if you've already been here before to watch me, welcome back, friends. Thank you. So today I'm going to start off with our feel good food for thought. Feel good food for thought is let's encourage one another with our words. A lot of times, us as humans, we want to go for the jugular vein with our words and break people down, hurt people. But words hurt. So let's build each other up, say something positive to someone that you know instead of trying to break them down. So I'm going to start with you guys, and I'm thankful for you guys being here with me today. And I'm going to send you guys a ton of love. As always, I'm blessed to be here with you guys. So we're going to proceed. We are going to do today hair hacks. I have 2 hair hacks that are super cool. They're pretty trendy. You know, it's not something you can wear all the time, but they're cool. So stay tuned and let's watch. Until next time, friends. And if you haven't already liked and subscribed, please do that. And at the end of this video, go ahead and share it, okay?